Good morning. Now here the boys are all ready. I'm really happy to see that Tiger is opening up and becoming more social. The other day, the way I had to do it was to limit the amount of dogs in her presence. And then she was able to open up. Now we're back to a large group of dogs, which are resembling more of a dog park. And let's see how she responds to that. Now that we've done the initial introductions. There she is. Still a little skittish, but playing. So most of her aggression, as I always say, comes from fear. But the fear of socialization. Not being able to do it right causes the aggression. She's checking out Crybaby now, who's part of the big crew. He's allowing her to investigate him, which is absolutely important. And she walks away with an experience of everything is okay. She does like the energy of the dogs, so dogs that are going to have more energy and playful, she's going to want to interact with even more. So this is all good. It's almost like she's just learning how to play. Great. Which is great. She's not very physical, except for the paw. That's part of her breed. Yeah. But she's playing with multiple situations. That's what I like. Beautiful. She does like to play dominantly, though. I see that. That's okay. She's more of a chase me. Yeah, okay, now she's kind of a little too much pressure. So she says, hey, hey. But she's playing with male and female, which is great. That's a female brownie, of course. Beautiful. She's teasing her. Her hair is up just a tiny bit around her tail, but that's okay. That's just a little fear and confusion. She is increasingly becoming a little more confident. That's what I want. So she's front and back. Dogs are coming at her. And of course, these guys up here, these are all adult, 18. They are not interested in playing, really. They know where they fit in, and they're like, we don't need that. Just sometimes they do, if someone strikes them the right way. Great. I'm really happy to see that she has no problem with male or female, young or old, playing with, or even smaller dogs. She does have a temperament, and this is what's causing her to respond to this aggressive state the dog is in, pushing her. This makes her feel more the need to control the situation, as you can see there, right? But she's not striking out. I don't know if you can see her face showing her teeth. Just a little too much pressure for her, and they're taking advantage of that. If it gets a little too much, then of course I'll step in. But right now she needs a bit of both of it because she has to open up, get past her emotional feelings about a large group of dogs. And this is Brownie protesting that she is acting this way. And that's okay. Tiger. Come here. Tiger. Yeah. I was going to let her in, but nobody's messing with her now. So it's all good. We'll continue. This guy didn't like her, didn't want to accept her yesterday. I guess because she's a newcomer. Well, let's see what happens today. Same way, doesn't really like her. See how he kind of stalks like that? His tail doesn't wag when she does that, but everyone else, his tail wags. That's just personal preference. That's okay. It's what he does with it. That's what I'm concerned with. And that's great. Okay, time to feed.